Yo, what's up? This is Overland ASEAN, day 19. Today, we continue riding south from Muar to Johor Bahru. And it looks like it's going to be an amazing ride. So let's go. Sun's coming up. A little overcast because it's been raining off and on for the last few hours. It's about time I stopped to eat a little roadside nasi lemak and kopi panas, roti canai. So fluffy, you really clapped it. Very good. The best roti canai this whole trip. Got me some curry puffs. Oh, they're good. How cool is this road? Today's ride, about 190 kilometer push south. Today is our last big ride before Singapore. Got about 3 hours left in today. Let's go see what we see. Getting some rain again. Oh, balls. That was Overland ASEAN, day 19. Muar to Johor Bahru. First real ride in the rain. Pretty intense as we came into the city. Solid ride, regardless of the rain. Tomorrow, we're gonna finish this thing. We ride to Singapore, finally.